In this set of videos, you'll be creating a 6-sided dice. You'll be using some of the pattern features that you learned in those other videos in order to create this dice. So you can do this without patterns, but it's definitely going to save us some time. So that's how I'm going to show it to you, is by doing that. First thing we'll do is we'll insert a box. We can just keep the dimensions as it is. You could make it bigger if you wanted to or not, but we're just going to leave it as 20 by 20. One of the reasons being we can always change it and make it smaller afterwards if we want to in the MakerBot desktop, or we can make it larger too. So we've got our shape here. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to fillet the edges. We want them to be rounded so that it can roll a little bit easier. I'm going to make it a little bit more fillet than I had in this one here, because when I printed it out I noticed they're still pretty square. So I'm just in this part I'm going to show you. I know you should already know how to do this, but we can actually do multiple edges at a time. So if you click fillet, you can select just one edge if you want to, or if you hold down the shift key you can select multiple. So I'm holding down shift as I do this, and I'm going to be filleting every single edge. So, and I want it to be the same, so it's easier if I just do hold down the shift key and do them all at once. So it's something that I hadn't shown you before. So notice I've got them all picked, and then you can just change your fillet radius as you want to. So you could go 2, could go 1. I don't think 1 is quite enough. So I'm actually going to pick pick 3, just to see what that does for us when we print it out. I think it'll be a nicer rounded edge. So then you hit enter and you've got that filleted. So I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to do a separate video to show you how to make those patterns and where to put the spheres. So you can watch the next video to figure that part out.